right, this is where we're going to go ahead and install the overflow drain kit. As you can see, we already have installed the O-ring on it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and present that device to the hole that it's indicated to be in. We'll show you the next step shortly in the next step. One more. So now that we have presented the overflow, we're going to have the two components. The first one will be, this is called the immersed disc. The immersed disc will have to be placed on here. We're going to go ahead and hold it here, make sure it's right in the middle. Next, we're going to add the second component, which is the metal brackets that you can use, whether if it's chrome or white. The following step will be, this is the female shaft you have to screw in to hold into place. Screw that in. You're going to receive a tool. There's a plastic tool that you use to tighten a little bit more. So you'll flip that around and screw it in towards the right. So once it's tight and secure, this is what you will have available. Okay, so the next step will be, this is the overflow cap. So you're going to go ahead and insert it accordingly. And on the bottom, you're going to go ahead and tighten the screw. And that is basically the step you got to follow for this installation. All right, we're doing the final step. This is the drain chute. You have to make sure that it's perfectly aligned and the seal around the edges of the hole that it's in. You're going to use this tool right here. This is what we will be using. At the same time, you're going to be using your caulking right here that you're going to need to install. You will have to use it and install it around this component right here. Okay, so once you have some silicone in it, the following step will be, go ahead and place it into the hole that is indicated to be in. The next step will be, you're going to use this device right here and screw it right in to the bottom. There should be enough room to screw it in. Okay, so once you have that firmly tight, you can use the tool here and tighten it more. Tighten it as much as you can, and that's basically the process to that. You have the silicone around it. If you need to clean it, you can go ahead and clean. This is the last component. You'll remove this cap that comes along with it. Make adjustments to the screw right here, and then you go ahead and insert it. That's basically the whole process that you have for the overflow and bottom drain connections. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 305-330-1146, option 3, technical support. Thank you for your time.